elephant work? The elephant stopped at our house, waving its big gray nose. Do you have work for an animal with a very useful hose? Come in, my father cried. You answer all my wishes. You can do the laundry and a heap of dirty dishes. Wash the upstairs windows, sweep and mop the floors, clean the car and the garage, and don't forget the doors. Stop, bellowed the elephant. That's too much work to do. Then with a snort, it turned away and ran back to the zoo.
Reading as Art and Science of Sounds.
Phonics. Sight words.
Story Reader.
普通话
RASS Language.